Hello, Tyler with Bardeen here. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about the different app connections that you have available to you inside of Bardeen. So as always, to get started, we're going to click on our Bardeen Chrome extension app here. And then once we have our playbook open, we'll click our plus, or we can possibly do a trigger as well. But in this case, we're going to click on the plus for adding an action. And over here on the left, we have a column that says more apps. Now, these apps are all the different integrations that are available to you inside of Bardeen. There's a lot here. There's a whole lot that you can look through and explore. If you're doing large cold emails, you have things like Smart Lead that you can dig into, send your leads to. If you're doing appointment setting, then you can do things like Calendly to do different availabilities inside of your Calendly account. If you are using note taker tools, you can do things like fire, spell that right, fireflies. There we go. We could find transcripts inside of our Fireflies account. If you're looking for the Google type accounts, then we have our Google Sheets, Google Mail, Google Drive, Google Doc, Google everything. You can find lots of those here. These have a lot more different options related to them as well. But regardless, all of these different integrations are places that you can go to automate different things related to your Bardeen playbook. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth in a couple of these in some other videos, but for this one, just wanted to show you some of the different apps and integrations that you have available to you inside of Bardeen. Thank you. Hope it helps.